Well, the next bout coming up is the welterweight bout between Ravinder Balhara, the silent killer, and the bad boy of Indian MMA, the Delhi Don, Jason Solomon.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the silent killer to the cage, Ravindra Balhara!
राहुल रविंदर बालहारा केज की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं। क्या बताना चाहते हो आप हमारी ऑडियंस को रविंदर बालहारा के बारे में?
मनन, रविंदर बल्हारा ने आज तक एक भी फाइट इंडियन फाइटर से नहीं हारी है। All his losses have come from foreign athletes, and I'm sure today he's here to put up a show.
पर जेसन भी तो फॉरेन ही है एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो। जेसन is half foreign यार।
Manan, you know what? Jason was my school senior. They're training partners.
संजीत और रविंदर साथ में ट्रेनिंग करते हैं।
Well, let's see what he does against the Delhi Don.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, the Delhi Don, Jason Solomon.
दिल्ली डॉन जेसन रमेश सोलोमन केज की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं।
Against Ravinder Balhara. To give you an insight, Jason has had 8 wins so far, and out of it, 4 have come via knockout, and the rest 4 are submissions, and all these submissions are rear naked submissions.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He stands at 177 centimeters and weighed in at 77.6 kilograms. Hailing from Haryana, the silent killer, Ravindra Balhara! He stands at 178 centimeters and weighed in at 77.2 kilograms. Fighting out of New Delhi, the Delhi Don, Jason Ramesh Solomon!
Get ready to fight!
Ravinder Balhara in white shorts, and we've got Jason Ramesh Solomon, the Delhi Don, the bad boy of Indian MMA, in black shorts. Let's see if Jason can put up a striking or a submission clinic against Ravinder Balhara. Manan, whenever I've seen Ravinder fighting, this guy just goes in for the kill.
Rahul, I think if this becomes a boxing match, Jason loses. If Jason is able to take Ravinder on the ground, then Jason wins for sure. That was a nice side kick to the knee by Jason. That's something new we are seeing from Jason. Ravinder tried to land a kick of his own, but it did not.
Jason, easy. Keep moving, keep moving.
The best thing that I like about Jason is that he's tenacious, he can change levels, and he moves pretty fast.
Jason, leave the cage.
और रविंदर की बॉडी लैंग्वेज को देख के पता चल रहा है कि वो बड़े-बड़े शॉट्स ढूंढ
that
रहे
was a
हैं।
nice right hand.
लेकिन जेसन ने वहां से निकलने का काम बहुत अच्छा किया। और कितनी बार हमने जेसन को इस पोजीशन में देखा है राहुल कि उन्हें एक बॉक्सर उन्हें नॉकआउट करना चाह रहा है, and Jason is just staying away from that, and eventually he wins.
Whoa.
We've seen that so many times, and then this is Jason's position.
Well, I think this is what Jason wants.
This is Jason's position. He needs to hold on to this.
Yes, this is what Jason wants. Jason wants to go on the ground, pull a submission. We have seen him doing it. He's absolutely tenacious when on the ground. Okay. My goodness, we've got Balhara on the mount.
And it's a reversal now. Jason has the dominant position. If Jason can
stand
hold
up.
on to this.
Can Jason pull this guillotine, a standing guillotine?
नहीं, अभी ये guillotine नहीं
I
है
don't
राहुल
think so.
जेसन
He
के
has
हाथ
the
में।
frame in his hand.
जेसन के कॉर्नर भी चिल्ला के बोल रहे हैं कि जेसन हाथ के अंदर से, और रविंदर बालहारा निकल गए। निकलते हुए एक छोटा सा पंच भी लैंड किया उन्होंने।
Ravinder Balhara has initially been playing at different weight classes, weight classes higher than this, but tonight he's playing in the welterweight. We've got Ravinder Balhara taking on the Delhi Don.
राहुल, ये जो अभी एक्सचेंज हुआ था जिसमें जेसन ने रविंदर को क्लिंच में ले लिया था, जेसन को यही करने की जरूरत है. He needs to stay on the outside, he needs to use his kicks, and whenever Ravinder tries to charge in, he needs to grab Ravinder and take him down. If Jason can continue to use this strategy, he will take this fight. But if Ravinder can land some big shots, then Jason could be in trouble. What do you think, Rahul?
Well, honestly, it's been an excellent fight week here. In the last 5 days, I've not seen Jason training a bit. So, He may not be that effective as he was a couple of years back, but at the same time, let's not forget that he's been training in the US.
I think Ravinder hurt himself with that kick somehow. He kicked Jason and after that he was on wobbly legs. I don't know, maybe Jason's elbow landed on his kick in some way or something happened.
Manan,
Did you
honestly-
notice that?
Well, I did notice that. I think Balhara has got a lot of weight and
Oh,
this might
that was
affect
a
him in
nice
this
jab.
fight.
That was a nice jab that Balhara landed.
I would say Jason is an intelligent fighter. Look at the kick.
Nice kick. Yeah. Jason's using his kicks really well in this fight.
And Jason has a longer reach in this bout and therefore he's managing it very effectively. He's not letting Balhara barge in.
बिल्कुल और ये कई बार हमने जेसन को देखा है सक्सेसफुली यूज करते हुए बड़ा शॉट मारा बालहारा ने लेकिन जेसन बहुत समझदारी से वहां से निकल गए यही करने की जरूरत है जेसन को बालहारा के पंचेस से दूर रहना है किक्स को यूज करना है और ग्राउंड पे गेम को खत्म करना है एक और बड़ा शॉट मारा बालहारा ने
Oh my goodness.
and it landed one of those shots landed
That's what I was talking about initially, Manan. The thigh clinch that Jason specializes in. So he takes the opponent in the thigh clinch, will shoot a couple of knees, take him down and work on a submission. We've seen it happening many a times in his previous bouts.
बिल्कुल लेकिन अभी रविंदर उस क्लिंच से निकलने का काम अच्छा कर रहे हैं राहुल जेसन कोशिश कर रहे हैं रविंदर को उस क्लिंच में रोक के रखने की या फाइट को ग्राउंड पे ले जाने की बट रविंदर अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उस क्लिंच से
Wow,
निकलने का
look at the kick.
Nice
Look at
kick.
the kick.
Easy, Jason, easy.
We could hear that kick all the way
Oh.
here.
Nahi, nahi.
Well, Jason knows he can,
Wow.
he can keep Balhara away with his kicks. And I think what Balhara needs to do is, no matter how many kicks he eats, he just needs to barge in and start charging in.
जेसन एक अलग ही जोन में लग रहे हैं राहुल लुक एट जेसन्स इंटेंसिटी राइट नाउ
Inner low.
Manan, he's been training with Dennis Holman. He stays with Dennis Holman and he's been training with Dennis Holman, so I'm sure he has a good strategy in place against Ravindra Balhara tonight. Look at this. This
We
is
are
what I
back
was-
in the clinch. He's throwing his knees.
That's what I
Wow!
was talking about. His clinch game, his knees.
तेरा fight है, easy खेल.
बट ये नीज राहुल डिफेंड करी है रविंदर ने रविंदर के हाथ नीचे थे
दे रहा है low kick. दे रहा है.
We also have Pawan Goyat in Ravindra Balhara's corner, but we don't see him doing much of the talking. While on the other hand, we've got Dhruv in Jason's corner. Dhruv is guiding him pretty well. We've got
एक और अटेम्प्ट रविंदर की तरफ से और लग रहा है इस बार ये फाइट ग्राउंड पे जाएगी
Jason, control. Step back. Good. Go forward. Go forward.
15 more seconds in round one.
मेरे ख्याल से जेसन को फाइट को ग्राउंड पे जाने देना चाहिए था रविंदर was trying to take Jason down but Jason defended that I don't think he should have defended that
10 more seconds.
he should have let it go to the ground
Well, I think Jason has a plan in place. What do you say, Manan?
he's definitely been doing a good job so far पंचेस अवॉइड कर रहे
Rounds
हैं
up.
और अपनी किक्स को यूज कर रहे हैं पहला राउंड यहाँ खत्म होता है
On the other hand, we did not see much powerful shots and significant striking from Balhara.
राउंड 2 शुरू होने जा रहा है और बल्हारा मुझे थोड़ी लंबी सांसें लेते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं
A lot of weight in the last couple of days. You know, this fight week started for us on the 9th, and then since then he's been trying to cut weight.
Easy. आने दे.
और बहुत ज्यादा वेट करने के बाद एक वीकनेस सी आ जाती है बॉडी में एंड इट कैन अफेक्ट योर परफॉर्मेंस इन द फाइट
Easy, Jason, easy.
बट राहुल बालहारा के जो हाथ चल रहे हैं ना जब वो घुमा के पूरी पावर से पंच मारते हैं उसमें कहीं भी किसी भी 1% की भी कमी नहीं है राहुल
Manan, would you agree if I say Jason is getting mature day by day?
100% राहुल
Well, I only mean in terms of his fighting.
and that's what we want we don't want him to get mature in any other way Rahul otherwise he wouldn't be Jason the Delhi Don
I have never seen Jason this calm. He's got his stance up. He's got his guard up. Good footwork. That proper Muay Thai footwork he's got.
and he's doing some great work with his kicks Rahul in this fight he's timing them really well he's throwing that side kick to the knee again and again and then he throws a straight kick from the middle I think he's trying to look for an Anderson Silva style knockout
Well, maybe yes, this is a do or die situation for Jason here because Jason has had 2 consecutive losses. One against Shrikant, one against Pawan, and I think this bout has to be a game changer for him. Otherwise, he may be off the circuit. What do you say?
No, Rahul, I actually disagree with that. I don't think those 2 losses were as bad as people think they were. Because like I said, he just got unlucky. He was winning those rounds. If you go back and watch the footage, he was winning those rounds. Shrikant just caught him out of the blue, so he got unlucky. And with Pawan, he got injured. So I would call it bad luck, Rahul. I don't think we should underestimate Jason just because he's lost those 2
Go down.
fights.
Manan, if somebody locks the Kimura on you, you wouldn't call them unlucky, honestly.
Ooh, and that was a big right hand that landed for
Oh,
Ravindra.
some good exchange between Balhara
But
and
Jason's
Jason.
doing a good job.
वेट मत कर वेट मत कर आएगा आएगा वेट कर आएगा आंधे
Look at the intensity between these two, Rahul.
आंधे आंधे
I think we are yet to see the real Balhara.
रेडी रे आएगा ये, आएगा रेडी
I think we're also yet to see the real Jason Solomon.
Well,
रेडी
Manan, discussing Jason's loss to Shrikant, honestly, if somebody locks a technical Kimura on you, you're not unlucky. You are just unskilled.
Rahul, coming back to this fight, do you think it becomes predictable after a while when, the only thing you're throwing is one big right hand? Doesn't it become predictable?
Of course.
Doesn't it become easy to defend that?
Of course, and that's how he got Abhishek Rana in the previous bout. I'm talking about Balhara here, the one in the white shorts.
लो दिखा और फेस लो दिखा और फेस
I feel right now, even in this fight, Balhara has just got that one thing which he's looking for again and again, big right hand, and now it's becoming predictable. So it's going to become, as time goes by, I think it's going to become easier for Jason to defend
I
that
think
one right
it has
punch.
already become easier for Jason. Jason is actually getting onto the head. Whoa!
This is
That's
perfect.
a lucky position. Whoa!
This is where Jason wants the fight to be.
My goodness, Jason is in a dominant position. He should lock that triangle, get the win. Oh, taps! What a comeback for Jason!
Oh my God!
Jason
Delhi
come-
Dawn is back, ladies and gentlemen.
He has proved
Wow.
tonight to be the real bad boy of Indian MMA. What a comeback!
I
what
knew
an
it.
upset for Ravinder Balhara.
Rahul, I told you. What did I tell you before the fight night started? I told you Jason is going to end Balhara. Didn't I tell you that, Rahul?
Well, look at the way. This is our sport. It's got blood and sweat in it, and there's a lot of respect in it.
Absolutely. While they're fighting, they're fighters and their opponents. But the
Well, that's-
moment the fight is over,
that's
there's friendship
Jason's wife.
and respect.
That was Jason's wife and his daughter. That's his beautiful daughter.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Ranjit stopped this contest in 3 minutes and 20 seconds into the second round, declaring the winner, submission by the triangle choke from the red corner, the Delhi Dawn, Jason Ramesh!